not fly out. Nah, fly out. I know you think I'm going to fly out, but I'm not. I'm here to do a delivery. But in the meantime, why not get a ticket? Can you give me a free ticket? Come on. I feel like you can give me a free ticket. You can give me a free ticket?
Sure.
Alright. So since you're going to give me a free ticket, I'll give it in your pocket.
Alright, thank you.
And thanks for doing business with us. We really appreciate it. Anything you want to say, tell me something about our company. Because you say we're coming at the lunchtime, come give you the thing on time.
Alright, trust me, never delay. It's the best shipping company. So guys, come on, get on board.
You hear that? You like our hairstyle? I love it. She's going to give me a free ticket. So this is the perfect time for my sweet hair up.
Alright, so if you do happen, you can just call and ask for Tabitha.
Yes.
Right, and we get you on board.
Tabitha have us covered. You want your ticket for jump out anytime, just a 3 day, a 1 day, a weekend, a month. She got this. Alright? This is how we do it on the delivery trail. Thanks, Amel. And